Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a 3D button in Google Sheets in just a few quick steps. Click Insert in the top menu bar, then select Drawing. This opens up a separate drawing window where you'll create your button. In the drawing window, look for the shape icon in the toolbar. It looks like a circle and a square. Click on it, navigate to the Shapes category, and select the bevel shape. This is the one that gives you that 3D appearance. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Now, click and drag anywhere on the canvas to draw your button. Don't worry about getting the size perfect, you can resize it later. With your button shape drawn, let's clean it up. Click on the button to select it, then look for the border color icon in the toolbar. Set this to transparent. This removes the outline and gives you that clean 3D look. Next, click the fill color icon, that's the paint bucket, and choose your button color. You can pick from the palette or enter a custom color code. Now let's add your text. Click inside the shape and start typing your button label. Select the text you just typed and use the formatting toolbar to adjust the font, size, and make it bold if you like. You can also change the text color to white if you've chosen a dark fill color for better contrast. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the blue Save and Close button in the top right corner. The drawing window closes and your 3D button appears on your spreadsheet. To make the button actually do something, you'll need to assign a script to it. Right-click the button and select Assign Script from the menu. Type in the exact name of your app script function, just the name, no parentheses. You need to have already created this function in Extensions, App Script, before this step will work. Keep in mind that once you've assigned a script, regular clicking will run that script, so if you need to move or edit the button later, you'll have to right-click it instead. A couple of quick tips. The first time you click the button to run a script, Google will ask you to authorize it. Just click Continue and approve the permissions. And if you need to resize your button after placing it, click it once to see the corner handles, then drag those to adjust the size. If this was helpful, thanks for watching.